Thank you. Well, when it comes to industries shaping future opportunities for families in South Carolina, life science industries are playing a huge role. And to help us dig into what it means for the opportunities for ourselves and our kids and our community, we have the SCBIO president with us. That's the CEO, Sam Konduras, is joining us today. And we're going to start off, Sam, with the most basic question, which is help the audience understand, why do we need to care about life sciences? What are they?
Right. Well, it's a great question, actually. It's a huge global industry, trillions of dollars. Think of every pharmaceutical product, prescription drug, every medical device you could imagine, from an innovative Band-Aid to, frankly, an implant that might go in your brain. Or
even the apps and stuff, right?
You got it, knee replacement. Digital health is the fastest growing area, so apps, Fitbits, if you use a MyChart account with, say, as a patient. And then it goes all the way to bioagriculture and very unique distribution, so it's a huge industry. The big reason it matters is it's the fastest growing segment of South Carolina's innovation economy now. Wow. We have 678 life science companies in 43 out of 46 counties, $12 billion annual economic impact, employing over 43,000 people with very high salaries. So this is a industry that is really one of the crown jewels of the state now. So
if we talk a lot about the STEM programs, right, that are helping to implant that life sciences kind of math and science educational focus for our kids. So if we get a kid that is interested in science and math and the arts, what do we do about trying to get them sort of to head in this direction and to introduce them to this?
It's a fantastic opportunity, incredible variety of careers. It really takes a village of different talents and skill sets, and so that student who's interested in science on any basis, it's not just about being a nurse or a physician now, as great as those careers are. There's an entire business around life science companies, and the 600 or so companies that are producing different technologies and products in the state of South Carolina. They need every kind of talent. So there are a lot of great STEM festivals. There are even elementary and middle schools that are dedicating themselves. There's a healthcare high school actually in Orangeburg County now.
Wow.
But MedX Academy that Prisma Health has, for instance, has middle school kids getting involved. So there's a lot of different pathways, and that's growing. But that's one of our jobs, is to create more and more pathways, because what we have learned is if you don't get kids interested in science and understand these amazing careers they can have young, you might lose their interest along the way.
And so when we talk about the life sciences and it being an industry, SCBIO is basically the engine that kind of fuels it, right? You're connecting people through your organization, both the players and the educators, and I mean everybody together in one effort.
That's no, well put. Yes, we're designed to be a champion for the industry, and we really get out of bed with a team every day to build, advance, grow the life science industry in South Carolina. And it takes a variety of stakeholders, we call it, from the research universities to the healthcare providers to the core industry to all the economic development teams in the state. So we're very hand in glove with our commerce department and with regional alliances like Upstate Alliance.
Well, we had to grab Sam today because they're having 400 people come to the Upstate tomorrow to Greenville for a big conference. So they're going to be too busy tomorrow. But when it comes to this and the future of South Carolina, why do you believe in it so passionately?
You know, at the end of the day, on a personal level, I have a dad right now who's battling stage 4 metastatic lung cancer. My wife is a breast cancer survivor. Every single one of us is touched. And life sciences is the solution provider for healthcare. Right. So there's no avoiding it, and it just makes it a lot more meaningful and compelling to be part of an industry that's trying to extend life and increase quality of life while we're here. We
appreciate you being with us and making sure the audience knows about these opportunities for our families and kids.
Thanks for having me, Amy.
Thanks. You're watching Carolina's Family at 4. We're coming right back, and of course we're saluting our local heroes. National First Responder Day today.